everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable crossplay on your Xbox Series X. So on the home screen here, let's go up to top and go to settings. Scroll on down to account, then go to the right, go to privacy and online safety. Then go to where it says Xbox privacy, the first setting. Scroll on down to view details and customize. Then go to communication and multiplayer. Then the second option to the right is you can join cross-network play, crossplay, decide whether to allow or block multiplayer gaming with players on other gaming services outside of Xbox. So we can just go to block now. Then start up your game and see if you can find a match. And it will only match you against other players who also have this set to block. So the more people who do this, the more likely you're going to find a match. So some games you might not find a whole lot of people to match against, so you'll have to come back to this section and allow it so you can actually find a multiplayer game. So just a heads up, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.